Got a clogged bathtub here. I'm about to make it happen. This is the trap for the bathtub. You can see that twist and another twist. They have another twist here and another twist, so there's a lot going on. Super snake, man. So there's a clog, you can't get the snake down in there. Thing like 100 years old, man. That thing still wouldn't budge, yo. Tons in. Not a bit. It's stuck because the water wasn't coming down there, so we ain't got no plug. Nothing leak yet. Keep running it. So we're getting some water in there now. See that? There's roots and trees and mud, this whole pipe, man. So we're gonna have to cut it off tomorrow and